Dear students, welcome back to my channel. This video for the students of class 3B. We are in the chapter animals like birds. In the previous video, we have discussed about climbing birds, perching birds, scratching birds, swimming birds, etc. Today, we are going to discuss feathers, types of feathers, and how birds fly. So, in this picture, a bird is flying. So, let's start. So, first one is we have to know about feathers. As I told you before, that the birds have soft and fluffy feathers. Basically, they are light in weight. It means if you, I think you must have seen many feathers. If you take a feather and blow this feather, it will fly away because it is very light in weight. Due to this type of feature, a bird can fly, right? So this is not the this is not the only one feature. This is another feature. They help the bird to keep itself warm, and camouflage. What is camouflage? What do you mean by camouflage? Camouflage means disguising, disguise, or you can say mingling with the surroundings so that it can't be spotted or seen. I want to show you a picture. In this picture, if I not point it out, it it is hard to separate because a parrot can mingle with the nature, with the leaves of a tree. So this is called mingle, mingle with the leaves or camouflage, right? So these feathers help the bird to camouflage, right? Now we are going to discuss types of feathers. Types of feathers. Now we are going to discuss types of feathers. Feathers are mainly three types. First one, body feathers. Second one, down feathers. Third one, flight feathers. Right? So I want to show you a picture about a duck. Yes, these are the down feathers, and these feathers that is long, very long. This type of feathers you can see in the legs, not legs, in the tails, because this is very long, and this is not very long. So this is a feather also, and this is called contour feathers, or you can say body feathers. So basically three types of feathers we can see. So first one, contour feathers, contour or body feathers, you can say. Another, down feathers. Third, flight feathers. We will study about one by one, right? First one, contour feathers or body feathers. So basically, contour or body feathers are the small feathers that cover the body, wings, and tail of a bird. Right? They are strong but light in weight. They give color and smooth shape to the bird. So basic feature, they give color and smooth shape to the bird. This is not very big, like uh, as you can see in the picture. This is the contour feathers. This is not very big, a little bit long, and they cover all the body, wings, tails also. They are very strong and light in weight. Clear? Now, second one, down feathers. Down feathers. Down feathers are located underneath the body feathers. Underneath the body feathers. They are soft and fluffy and help to keep the bird's body warm. So it is located underneath the body feathers or contour feathers. Basically, you can see this is also very light in weight, and basically we can see this type of feathers uh, in our uh, room. Then we take this feather and it will fly away if I blow it. So these are the down feathers, and this is very small, and this is located underneath the body feathers. Clear? They are soft and fluffy. So this is the these feathers are the down feathers. You can see here. You can see here. So down feathers are basically soft, very soft and fluffy. Obviously they are very light in weight, and it helps to keep the bird's body warm. Okay, now the third one, flight feathers. So flight feathers are long and flat, like that. Basically you can see uh, this type of feather uh, in the tail of a bird. Okay, so flight feathers are long and flat. So as you can see in the picture, so this is the, sometimes you can see in your home, this is the long feathers and this is the flight feathers. Many years ago, uh, the people, uh, they used to write their words using these flight feathers, right? So this is the flight feathers, and you can see in the tail of a bird. So wing feathers, you can say wing feathers are strong and used in flapping. Tail feathers bird to change its direction during a flight. So there are, you can see this type of feathers not only in the tail, you can see in the these feathers in the wings also. So wing feathers are strong and used in flapping. And tail feathers means these feathers you can see in the tail. Tail feathers help the bird to change its direction during flight, right? So these are the three types of feathers: body feathers, down feathers, and flight feathers. And birds like to keep their feathers clean. They bath regularly and use their beak to rearrange their feathers in shape. So now we are going to discuss about how birds fly. As you in the picture, a parrot is flying using their wings. And if you see, these two wings are different positions, and these two wings are in the different position. This is called upstroke, and these positions are called downstroke, right? So as I told you before, birds fly with the help of wings, and wings are joined to the body with strong muscles that help them to move, as I told you before. Now today we will discuss how birds fly. Birds uses two processes to fly. First one I told, upstroke. Second one, downstroke. So let's study what is upstroke. Upstroke means the forward and not forward, the upward and backward movement of wings is called upstroke. Whenever a bird flaps its wings in upward and backward manner, then that step is called upstroke, right? Now what is downstroke? Downstroke means the downward flapping, of wings is called downstroke. Okay, in downstroke the wings are pushed down and forward. In downstroke the wings are pushed down and forward. So if I ask you a question, how birds fly, so you have to write, a bird flies because of two processes, that is upstroke, and another one is due to downstroke. Upstroke means the upward and backward movement of wings. Okay, and the downstroke, and for the downstroke, downward flapping of wings, a bird can push down and go forward. So this is called downstroke. So in these two process, using these two process, a bird can fly in the sky. Clear? So there is a one thing. There is one thing. Birds fly. Birds fly with the help of wings. So you should have to learn about the how birds fly. And one important things, a hummingbird. Hummingbird, very little bird, they can flap its wings 90 times in just 1 second. A hummingbird, the little bird, can flap its wings 90 times in just 1 second. So think how fast it is, right? So today in this video session, we have learned about the feathers, different types of feathers, body feathers, down feathers, and flight feathers, and how a bird can fly. So basically, we already have learned about how bird can fly using their light in weight feathers and hollow bones and etc. But in this video session, we have learned about downstroke and upstroke flapping, right? So using this process, a bird can fly. And this also here, to change the direction of flight while flying, birds use their tail feathers. Okay, and most of the birds like pigeon, crow, hen, sparrow, vulture, they all can fly in the sky. But there are some birds like emu, ostrich, penguin, kiwi, they can't fly because they have heavy body. They can't flap. They can flap, but they can't fly because they have heavy body. So that's why they are called flightless bird. So name of the two flightless birds, kiwi, ostrich, right? So that's all for today, students. We will discuss about another topic on the next video. Please keep learning, go through this video and try to learn and try to remember all the basic things, how to bird can fly, different types of feathers, different types of beaks, different types of toes. Okay, so thank you. We will meet in the next video.